Hi folks, Lance here from TriggerShims.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to tear down your Ruger SR22 pistol. Let's start by making certain that it's unloaded. We'll slide the slide back and lock it in place and check the chamber. It's all clear. Now I'm going to start by locking my safety in the fire position and cocking my hammer. And then I want you to see right here, this is your takedown lever, and I can get in there with my fingernail, pull that lever open like that. Can you see how that pulls down? Just pull it down like that. Now we're going to slide the slide back, lift it off at the rear, and slide it back forward. And that's all there is to it. Now this is your recoil spring and guide rod. And I want to show you on your recoil spring and guide rod, one end of your spring is larger than the other, and the small end is the one that goes on the guide rod first, like that. Okay? I also want to show you, your barrel is permanently attached to your frame. There's a screw underneath in front of your trigger. There's an Allen head cap screw there that you can use to take the barrel off if you wanted to change it. I want to show you too, there's a pocket underneath your barrel right here. There's a little pocket. That's where your guide rod sets. Just like that. Okay? Now there's also another pocket on your slide in the bottom here. That's where your recoil spring sets. And what we're going to do, we're going to put it all back together now. Just like that. We're going to slide it back, push down against the hammer, let it slide forward. Okay, when it slides forward, we're going to latch our takedown lever, close it and latch it, decock our hammer, and that's it. And that's all there is to it. We hope this helps you. We appreciate your taking time to watch our video. Stop by our website, TriggerShims.com, and have a look at our products. Till then, take care, good shooting, and God bless.